concerns about CCN is actually it's the lack of clarity regarding its expansion plans. CCN currently has a production capacity of 500,000 tons. That's the lowest in the cement in the industry. A lot has been said about the huge potential for growth in the cement industry. But of course, we have always maintained that that potential will be driven by volume and not so much by prices as it has been historically. And so it therefore means that for you to be able to tap into that growth opportunities, you must have well laid out plans in terms of expansion, and now you're going to drive volume growth. For us, we have not seen so much clarity from CCN regarding that. That's a major concern. Apart from that, the other concern relates to the rising cost profile. In terms of energy cost, diesel and LPFO cost. And for those two major reasons, we had to revise our forecast significantly downwards following the not so impressive Q3 performance.
Yes, like you said, those Q3 performance were not very impressive. Indeed, profit after tax was down about 60%. But tell us more a bit about CCN, because we do know it's in the north. Who is it really competing with? More so because Dangote Cement is pretty much across the country.
Yes, if you want to look at plant locations, CCN does not really have a close competitor in that sense. Its closest in terms of capacity size would be Ashoka, but Ashoka is even isolated in the northeast, eastern part of Nigeria. No, but the closest competitor I would say is Dangote Cement, given its aggressive penetration in all the regions of Nigeria. If you look at distribution of Dangote Cement depots, the company has more even in northwest and northeast region. That's to tell you that the company also is aware of the relative isolation of CCN in that region, and the company is doing a lot to take more of the market share in that region. And by and large, I haven't said that CCN still has a lot of potential if it can come out specifically on its expansion plans. That region, northwest region, has the lowest cement consumption per capita in Nigeria, and that shows you that there's a lot of opportunities for growth, even though, as we have always maintained, purchasing power in that region is lower.